Hey, it's Rex. Today we're going to be installing pads and rotors on a Tesla Model 3 dual motor lawnmower. Today for the Tesla, we chose the eLine series drilled and slotted rotors. Paired with the Optimum OE series pads, this provides the best braking power at the most affordable cost. Alright, now that I've installed the rotors and pads, I'm just doing my bed-in procedure that I like to do. I like to bring it up to 40, slow down to 20, but I don't ever like to come to a complete stop, just because we're really heating up the pads and rotors, and I'm just getting that